Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on our new topic start from previous video. In previous video we were discussed the base 2 number converted into base 10, and now this with this those same number we take here 9, and here 9 base 10 number system we change into base 2, so we do division. Okay, so here we write the division 9, and we write here 9. Okay, so 9 when we in base 2 number system, so we write the table on 2. Okay, so 2 for the 8 and remaining 1. Okay, and 2 power 2, and here is 0, and 2 1 the 1 and remaining 0. So here we write here answer is 1001. So now base 2. So here you check and verify this answer. When we simplify 1001 base 2 to base 10, we get the 9, and here we 9 base 10 to base 2, so we get the 1001 base 2. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks for watching.